Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 30 from Duncan Cartledge Online. If you have enjoyed this series of videos so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This short presentation will discuss the measurement of groundworks. Groundworks have always had the potential to produce problems. There have, of course, been big changes in NOM2 in the way groundworks are measured, most notably for earthwork support. Earthwork support is generally needed to uphold unstable ground. But what is unstable ground? NOM2 does now give us a definition. I've mentioned the guidelines on NOM2 previously. Now, in the main, it states the obvious, but occasionally it does give some useful advice. For example, in establishing whether support is necessary. So, it would appear that earthwork support is required in the circumstances described here. Finally, if you've wondered where cutting off tops of piles have gone, they are now to be found in NOM2 Work Section 5, Excavation and Filling. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get the latest updates and releases.